Morning.
Could be the last one then.
It could be, mate. It could be. Last one of the year.
At least.
Yeah.
Well, definitely last one of the year.
Yeah, yeah. This is where hopefully we'll end up if we don't die en route.
Yeah.
Is it straight down this way? No, it's that way.
You got that way. We came in that way.
Did we? Oh, we did. So after I said that we'd only end up doing one walk this year, it turns out we're going to do another. So I had to get a new phone grip as well for this walk anyway. So how are you feeling, Trev?
Good. Ready to go. 9.5 miles, was it? Somewhere around there.
9 3/4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Well, at least it's not raining just yet. Trev and I are over preparing for today because we've not done a walk in October before. Well, I haven't. I'm sure you have.
Maybe.
Yeah.
It's a bit late in the year for me.
Trev was just giving me a rundown of all the things that he's got on him, being prepared for today. And I've got
Your raincoat.
I've got my raincoat. I've got some gloves. I've got my winter coat. I've got a bottle of water. Trev's got his nuts.
I got my nuts. And chocolate.
And chocolate, yeah. It's the one thing I always forget on these journeys.
Go have some snackage. This is Lincolnshire's equivalent of Heathrow around here. Got 2 planes.
The one's hiding behind the sun.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. It's up there.
I don't know what the technical term is for when they're just, a horse circle.
It's a horse circle thing.
Yeah. A round paddock or something.
Yeah. Let's go with that. It's a horse gym.
Horse gym.
Yeah, we'll do that instead. I think we've come up to. These are in kilometre squares, aren't they?
Yeah.
So that's we've done just about 3 kilometres already.
Yeah. So.
Gates. Ooh, squeaky.
Squeaky gate.
There we go. Oh, now onto the main road.
Civilization.
I say main road.
Signs of civilization. Even if it's just a bit of tarmac.
Yeah. Well, that sign's seen better days.
Something's eating it.
It's a Brundle way. It's not a public one, and it's just a Brundle way.
It's a Brundle way.
Brundle way. And it's awfully wet down here.
Weird for Lincolnshire. It's usually dry.
Yeah.
Dry part of the country, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
Pennines. We've got Pennines to the west, so
Well, yeah.
rain's over there, and then there's a little bit left over for us.
We get the arse end of the rain.
You get the arse end of rain, that's it.
Yeah.
Like everything else.
Yeah. I'm going with that. I'm sticking with that. That's my facts.
The more you know.
He's found the sign.
That's all it says that.
It just says that. Yeah. Just a white sign. Doesn't say anything. But we're approaching Westborough, and this is a church right here. I've never seen one before.
Shall we pop in?
Yeah.
How old are they? Well, Norman, I guess. 1,000 years old?
Guess so. Let us know in the comments.
I think this would be 1200 and something when this was built.
Yeah.
There we go. 1221. Nicholas Collin, first incumbent of the rectory of Westborough.
1221. So from looking at this chart here that Trev was just looking at, there he is. That's him looking at it there. We found out that this church is from
1221.
1221, so older than America.
Oh, apparently this is yarrow. This is a really good antiseptic, stringent.
Huh. The more you know. There we go. Oh no, you got it. Yeah. Hold it there. There we go. Like a mini fern.
Yarrow.
So we've now entered Long Beddington. These are actually like three villages that are just right next to each other. So we started off in Marston, crossed into Westborough, now in Long Beddington, and then we're taking a 90-degree turn and heading south. And from the looks of the map, it is just literally south now, all the way there. Considering it's in the middle of October, it's amazing how temperate the weather is, really.
Yeah,
it's not.
The farm's out.
Yep. Well, he has.
Sweaty already.
I found my hat for the first time this year, so I get to wear that.
The sun's shining and it's nice.
Fantastic weather. Ideal for walking, because I think that if we're walking in a lot of heat, like we was when we did Lincoln walk along the bank,
You get overheated.
Yeah.
It's not so pleasant.
And this is just right, because it's sunny, but it's also quite cold as well.
Yeah. And when you're walking, you warm up anyway, so
Yeah.
you should put your fleece on and start walking, and 10 minutes later it's all going off in the bag.
Yeah.
And it's like, right, that's it, I'm cooking now.
Oh, now we're coming up to
Another church.
another church. That's St Swithin's Church.
Yeah.
And this is in Long Beddington. Good old gargoyles.
They don't have the water spout fluting out of them.
Right.
So gargoyle has a spout and grotesques just the carvings.
Trev's teaching me the difference between gargoyles and
Grotesques. Carvings on churches. Where do we go now?
Oh, I don't know. Let's just make it up.
Okay.
I think it's this way.
We'll go that way then. A bit more exercise than I expected.
It really was.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're thinking this walking here is bad with these little bits of ponds going on here, getting our feet all muddied, and then we realise the walk continues this way. Yay. Where the dirt track just becomes incredibly boggy.
It's a bog.
This is going to take some time.
I'm going to walk on that top bit and then slide and fall into the muddy bit.
Yep.
That's the plan.